Have you ever considered the influence your morning routine has on your mood and overall mental health for the day? The way we start our day can set the tone for everything that follows. I'm going to be sharing a quick morning routine that not only energizes you, but also instills a positive mindset to tackle the week ahead. Tip 1. Waking up fully rested. There's nothing more disorienting than rushing through your day, your morning halfway asleep. Adequate sleep helps regulate neurotransmitters and hormones that influence mood, reducing the risk of anxiety, depression, and irritability. Consistent getting enough sleep can lead to a more stable and positive emotional state. Sleep plays a crucial role in our memory consolidation and cognitive processing. With 8 hours of quality sleep, individuals often experience improved focus, clearer thinking, and a better problem-solving ability, which can contribute to overall mental resilience. Sleep helps the body manage stress more effectively by lowering your cortisol levels, that's the stress hormone. A full night's sleep can lead to a greater capacity to cope with daily challenges and reduce feelings of overwhelming, promoting a better mental well-being. Waking up rested will help your mornings to run far more smoothly. Tip 2. Stretching. So stretching in the morning can activate the body's relaxation response, helping to alleviate tension and reduce the feelings of stress and anxiety. By encouraging deep breathing and mindfulness during stretches, you create a calming ritual that sets a positive tone for the day. Engaging in stretching can stimulate the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood enhancers. This can lead to improved feelings of happiness and contentment. Starting your day with stretches can also contribute to a more positive mindset and enhance your overall emotional resilience. Morning stretching promotes mindfulness, encouraging you to focus on your body and breathe. This practice of tuning in to your physical state can help for you to be more aware of your feelings and stress level throughout the day. This heightening awareness can lead to a better emotional regulation and coping strategies when faced with challenges. Tip 3. Breath work. Breath work can be a powerful practice for enhancing mental health, especially when done in the morning. Engaging in breath work exercises helps to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and reduces the body's stress response. By focusing on deep, intentional breathing, you can lower your cortisol levels and alleviate feelings of anxiety, making it easier to start the day with a calm, focused mindset. Breath work can facilitate the release of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are associated with improved mood and emotional stability. Practicing breath work in the morning can help alleviate your mood, promoting feelings of happiness and contentment as you navigate throughout the day. Breath work also encourages mindfulness by requiring you to concentrate on your breath and the sensations in your body. This practice enhances present moment awareness, which can improve cognitive clarity and focus. Starting your day with this level of mindfulness helps set a positive tone, enabling you to approach daily tasks with a clearer and more attentive mind. So let's look at tip 4. Hydrate. Hydrating in the morning offers several mental health benefits. Here are 3 key advantages. Dehydration can negatively impact your cognitive performance, leading to difficulties in concentration, memory, and overall mental clarity. Starting your day with proper hydration helps to ensure that your brain functions at its best, enhancing focus, decision-making, and problem-solving abilities throughout the day. Adequate hydration is linked to a better mood stability. Dehydration can contribute to feelings of fatigue, irritation, irritability, and anxiety. Drinking water first thing in the morning can help boost your energy level, improve your mood, and set a positive tone for the day, reducing the likelihood of mood swings or feelings of gloom. Staying hydrated plays a role in managing stress levels. When dehydrated, your body produces a higher level of the stress hormone, cortisol. By hydrating in the morning, you help mitigate these effects, promoting a sense of calm and well-being as you face your daily challenges. Tip 5 is a balanced breakfast. Consuming a balanced breakfast can help stabilize your blood sugar levels, which in turn affects your mood regulation. A nutritious meal can provide the necessary nutrients and energy to help prevent irritability and mood swings, promoting a more positive and stable emotional state throughout the day. Breakfast plays a crucial role in your cognitive functioning. Eating a healthy meal in the morning can enhance your memory, concentration, and focus. Skipping breakfast can lead to increased feelings of stress and anxiety due to low energy levels and hunger. Eating a nutritious breakfast can help reduce cortisol levels, that's the stress hormone. Tip 6 is positive affirmations. Regularly practicing positive affirmations can help reinforce a positive self-image. By affirming your strength and ability each morning, you build your self-confidence and counter negative self-talk, which can enhance your overall sense of worth. Engaging in positive affirmation can help shift your mindset from negative to positive. By consciously replacing negative thought with affirmations, you create a more optimistic outlook on life, which can decrease anxiety, depression, and stress. These are a few examples of positive affirmation. 1. I'm capable and strong, and I can handle whatever challenges that come my way. 2. I deserve love, happiness, and success in all areas of my life. 3. Today, I choose to focus on the positive and embrace new opportunities. Incorporating these positive affirmations into your morning routine can create a powerful mindset shift. Step 7. Setting intentions. Setting intentions in the morning helps you to clarify your goals for the day, allowing you to prioritize tasks that align with your values. These practices can lead to improved concentration and a greater sense of direction, reducing the feelings of overwhelming and anxiety. Establishing intentions encourages mindfulness by prompting you to reflect on your thoughts. Let's look at a few examples of morning intention. 1. Today, I intend to approach challenges with a calm and open mind. 2. I intend to practice gratitude and find joy in the small moments. 3. Today, I commit to prioritizing my well-being and making choices that support my mental health. The last tip 8, move your body. Physical activities stimulate the release of endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones. Engaging in movement first thing in the morning can lead to an immediate boost in mood and help alleviate feelings of anxiety and depression, setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. Morning movement, whether through exercise or stretching or even a brisk walk, can enhance your blood circulation and oxygen flow to the brain, boosting energy levels, making it easier to approach the day with enthusiasm and motivation. So I've shared all these 8 tips. I hope it helps. That's a wrap. Here's a quick morning routine to energize you for an amazing week. Remember, small habits can lead to big changes. We would love to hear how you start your mornings, so share your go-to routine in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. Join our community and let's inspire each other every week. Make each Monday a fresh start. Thank you.